Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. More and more, we fill our environment, our homes, and our bodies with man-made products. Rather than using natural products, we look for synthetic alternatives. Instead of looking in our gardens to the answers to what ails us, we look on the pharmacy shelves. As a result, we're getting sicker earlier and more often. Sadly, we no longer have to reach very far to come in contact with someone affected by cancer. It's no longer simply the smoker's disease. Neither is it solely hereditary. Cancer seems to lurk much closer to home than it once did. Are there steps you can take to avoid this dreaded disease? Because the riddle of cancer hasn't been completely solved, no one knows exactly how to avoid it with absolute certainty. However, we've prepared a list of products that you might want to steer clear of if you're serious about your health. Plastic. It has invaded our lives so much that it's difficult to avoid. People prefer convenience, and plastic often meets their needs. Besides filling our oceans and landfills, plastic is also negatively affecting our health. Bisphenol A is found in plastics and resins and mimics hormones in our body. Specifically, it interferes with the secretion, function, and elimination of hormones, including estrogen. Not surprisingly, it has also been associated with cancer. Over-the-counter shampoo. One common thread found in virtually every single cancer patient is the existence of parabens. These substances are used to increase the longevity of industrial products and are known to cause cancer. Yet they are still present in many shampoos being sold today. When reading the list of ingredients on your favorite shampoo bottle, if it contains more substances that you don't know, you might want to leave it on the shelf. Over-the-counter toothpaste. Like the aforementioned shampoo, toothpastes are made up of ingredients that are almost impossible to pronounce, but we're putting them in our mouths 2 to 3 times a day. Even worse is that these additives don't really add anything to the toothpaste or to our health. They merely prolong the shelf life. TCS is a good example of this that is thought to increase the growth of cancer. Industrial cleaning products. These products are full of harmful chemicals that have been known to affect several different organs, including reproductive organs. They are so toxic that simply increasing their use also increases the threat of breast cancer in women. One tactic the industrial cleaning products use to be vague about the ingredient list is disclose simply a fragrance or parfum without detailing what goes into making the fragrance. This mixture of chemicals can also be found in air fresheners and candles. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.